everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a sort of demonstration for the Scree Acupuncture Massaging Pen. Okay, let's read the directions first because obviously you have to know what you're doing. So let's see. Okay, so we have already put the AA battery in. He will be testing out one right now. Okay. He has already applied a sort of gel on the wrist for testing it out. Now he will be going to number 2. He will not be making it all the way to number 9 because obviously it is very strong. He described 1 as a stinging type of feeling and number 2 as a shocking type of feeling. So he doesn't want to go further. Thank you so much for watching. I will be going all the way to number 9 off camera though to give you an honest review, so stay tuned.